Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best slat flattening router bits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Binstec CNC Spoilboard surfacing router bit with a 1/4 inch shank and a 1-inch cutting diameter. This is the budget option on our list, but don't let the price fool you. It packs quite a punch for the value it offers. It features a 3-wing carbide design, which ensures clean and precise cuts. The anti-kickback design adds an extra layer of safety, and the heat-resistant Teflon coating helps reduce resin buildup, making cleaning a breeze. In terms of design and build quality, this router bit comes with a solid hardened steel body and sharp carbide tips, ensuring durability even with frequent use. It's versatile enough for tasks like slab flattening, spoilboard resurfacing, and even trimming and slotting. It's compatible with handheld routers, CNC machines, and table-mounted routers, making it ideal for hobbyists or DIYers working with materials like MDF, plywood, or hardwood. The downside here is its relatively small cutting diameter, which may not be ideal for larger slabs. Additionally, the cutting depth is limited, so you might need to make multiple passes for deeper cuts. However, for under $17, this is an excellent starter tool for those on a budget and looking for a reliable router bit. At number 4, we have the PowerTech Slab Flattening Router Bit, a cost-effective option designed for versatility and durability. It features a 2-inch cutting diameter and a 1/2 inch cutting depth, making it suitable for larger slab flattening projects. The tungsten carbide tipped cutting edges ensure clean and accurate cuts, while the anti-kickback design provides a safer woodworking experience. Build quality is a standout feature here. The solid hardened steel body is crafted for long-term durability, and the sharp carbide tips deliver excellent performance even when tackling dense materials like hardwood or MDF. This bit is compatible with CNC machines, handheld routers, and router sleds, offering flexibility for various applications, such as spoilboard surfacing, dado cuts, and slotting. While the PowerTech router bit is slightly pricier than the Binstec budget model, it offers a wider cutting diameter and deeper cutting capacity, making it a better choice for larger projects. However, the maximum recommended RPM is 18,000, and users need to take care not to exceed this limit for optimal performance. Overall, this is a great mid-range option for users seeking versatility without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have another product from Binstec, this time with a 1/2 inch shank and a larger 2-inch cutting diameter. This model is a significant upgrade over the budget option at number 5. It retains the same high-quality carbide material and anti-kickback design, but its wider cutting diameter makes it more suitable for larger-scale projects like flattening wide slabs or resurfacing spoilboards. The Binstec 1/2 inch shank router bit is built with a solid hardened steel body and heat-resistant Teflon coating, ensuring a long lifespan and easy maintenance. Its sharp carbide tips provide precision cuts, and the 3-wing design allows for efficient routing. Like its smaller sibling, it's compatible with CNC and handheld routers and works well with materials such as MDF, plywood, and hardwood. One downside is that the cutting depth remains limited at 1/2 inch, which may require multiple passes for deeper applications. However, at $17.77, it offers excellent value for its size and performance. This is a solid choice for users who need a larger cutting diameter without delving into premium price territory. Coming in at number 2 is the Woodworking Slab Flattening Router Bit, a premium option that offers high-end features and performance. With a 1/2 inch shank, 2-inch cutting diameter, and 6-wing design, this router bit is perfect for professional woodworkers tackling large-scale projects. The replaceable carbide inserts ensure a longer lifespan, allowing you to swap out worn edges without replacing the entire bit. The design and build quality are exceptional. The solid carbide blade is sharp and durable, providing smoother cuts and higher precision compared to lower-tier models. The thicker carbide inserts add to its longevity and make it a cost-effective solution for heavy-duty projects. It's compatible with CNC machines and router sleds and performs well on a range of materials, including hardwood, MDF, and even epoxy. The price is on the higher end at $52.99, which might deter casual users. But for professionals who need reliable performance and extended durability, this router bit is worth the investment. Its efficiency and build quality make it ideal for demanding tasks, but beginners might find it overkill for simpler DIY projects. And finally, at number 1, we have the SpeedTool 2+2 Flute Slab Flattening Router Bit. This is the most premium option on our list, and it delivers exceptional performance and longevity. With a 1/4 inch shank and a 1/4 inch cutting diameter, this router bit is perfect for precision tasks. The carbide inserts feature ATS coating, doubling the lifespan compared to standard carbide bits. And the 2+2 flute design ensures smoother cuts with minimal resistance. The build quality is top-notch, with replaceable 4-edge carbide inserts that maximize tool longevity and save costs over time. The ATS coating enhances durability and allows heavy-duty use without compromising performance. This router bit excels at flattening slabs, spoilboard surfacing, and working on softwoods, hardwoods, and laminates. It's compatible with CNC machines and handheld routers, making it versatile for both DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers. The $53.99 price tag reflects its premium nature, but for users who need reliability, efficiency, and high performance, this router bit is worth every penny. Its advanced features make it the perfect choice for demanding projects, but casual users might find it over budget for simpler tasks. If you're looking for the best of the best, this is the one to go for. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.